morning everyone, how are you today? Today around the world, we are in Ibiza harbor in Ibiza, and today we're about to take this ferry. We're going to Formentera. Welcome to Formentera. Okay, here we are. So after 25 minutes on the ferry, we will take a bus to go to illetes, which is supposed to be the nicest beach in Europe and maybe even in the world. Let's figure it out. Okay, let's find the bus first. Cheers! So, time for beer and lunch. It's so expensive here, I really advise you to take your own drink and food. Bye bye Formentera. Bye bye. Okay, we're about to leave Formentera and go back to Ibiza. Hey, back in Ibiza. If you have any questions about how we did this day trip to Formentera from Ibiza, feel free to leave a comment and we'll reply. Okay, let's go home. Bye bye.